G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is April 6, 2023. This is the spot silver price update. All the indicators are showing long positioning only, as per the CCI 1500 breaking above its moving average 400. Just be careful though, there is a resistance forming and we may see a bit of a retracement to the downside, and I'll explain that in each of these time frames. So you can see here on the daily chart, I've got these two diagonal ascending trend lines. So it's in this channel at the moment, and on that dotted line there you can see that's a resistance forming as we speak. So it's bouncing down from that resistance area, and if it breaks above that, then that resistance will evaporate and we'll have further upside potentially on this ascending trend line. But at the moment we're respecting that resistance that's forming, and we'll see how it goes in the coming hours. Once that confirms, I'll let you know. So that's the daily. Now in terms of the 4-hour chart, let's drill down to that one. You can see there more clearly, I did put a Fibonacci extension back here on this key support area from that rebound, and it broke up almost to the 161, between the 123 and the 161 level. Now it's actually also respected this ascending trend line, and it's been sort of gravitating towards that all the way, and it may continue doing that, but at the moment we'll just need to see how it goes and how it performs. On the hourly chart, again zooming out, you can see there what we've got to do is be careful of any potential retracement to the downside. So if we use this time frame between that low and that high where that new resistance is forming, you can see there the 23% level is at 23.91, and that'll be potentially where the price may come back to. But obviously we've got to respect also the other areas of retracement of 38%, 50%, but ultimately the 60% will be our key area. If it drops below that 61% level, which is 21.93, then we've got to be prepared for a potential decline. But at the moment we're far off that. We need to be just careful of where it may go. Again, only long trades at this point. Now in terms of trading ideas and trading approaches, I've drawn here these fractals. If I zoom in, if you saw yesterday's video, that would have been our last long entry on that candle there. Now if you had gone long there, you would have been in a nice little profit. The hour after that is where it closed out, if you applied a 1% target on the hourly time frame. Of course you can choose whatever target you want to choose. You can use moving averages or whatever. Just be mindful that you want to get out with a little profit if you can, and don't be greedy. So at the moment you can see here it's consolidating, but you'll notice also it's stuck within this range, and it's showing a potential short signal there. But again, that's really advised against, in my opinion, because you're going against the trade on all three time frames. Remember, when all three time frames align, in this case they're all going long, take only long trades, avoid short trades. I would start taking short trades once. I would wait for the hourly to break to the downside below its moving average on the CCI, and I'd wait also for the 4-hourly to also come back down towards its moving average at the very least before taking any short trades. But when you've got all three timelines aligned like they are now, all in a long position, take only long trades. Which means if it breaks above this resistance, and that resistance will then evaporate, we'll see further upside, and that's where you may want to take some long trades if it breaks above those fractals, for example. Now if you do get caught out going in either direction, the way to average down, reference some of the links in the description below. Subscribe and like the channel. See you in a future video, and we'll support us more on Patreon. Thanks for watching.